In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Stripe with GoHighLevel. By the end, your GoHighLevel account will be able to collect payments through Stripe, and you'll know how to confirm everything is working properly. First, open your browser and head to the official GoHighLevel website. Sign into your account so you're on the main dashboard. Make sure you're in the correct location or sub-account if you manage more than one, since payment settings apply to the specific workspace you're in. From the left-hand menu, click Settings. This is where all your account level and location level configurations live. Inside Settings, look for Payments. Depending on your layout, you might see it directly or under Integrations, then Payments. The label can vary slightly with updates, but you're looking for the section that manages payment providers. In the list of available providers, find Stripe. When you see it, click the Connect button next to Stripe. This starts a secure connection process between GoHighLevel and your Stripe account. You'll be redirected to Stripe. Log in with your Stripe credentials and complete any verification prompts, like two-factor authentication. If you manage multiple Stripe accounts, select the correct one for this GoHighLevel location. When prompted, authorize the connection so GoHighLevel can process payments on your behalf. This permission simply allows invoices, checkouts, and subscriptions to flow from your funnels and forms to Stripe. After authorizing, you'll be sent back to GoHighLevel automatically. On the Payments page, confirm that Stripe now shows as connected or active. If it doesn't appear right away, give the page a quick refresh. If you're using GoHighLevel via browser, you can find the official website link at the top of the description. If you're using Stripe, check the link there as well. Next, set Stripe as your default payment gateway. This ensures new invoices, order forms, and other payment tools use Stripe automatically without extra configuration on each item. Now it's time to test. Create a simple test product or invoice and run a small test transaction. If you have test mode enabled in Stripe, use the provided test card details. Otherwise, process a low-value live charge you can refund afterward. The goal is to see a successful payment flow end-to-end. Finally, head back to your payments dashboard in GoHighLevel and verify that the transaction appears as processed. For added peace of mind, you can also confirm the matching payment in your Stripe dashboard. That's it. Your Stripe integration is live and ready to go. Thanks for watching.